Go, oh, hi, I'm not cooking today. I've been out of town doing work stuff, traveling around doing TV commercials. So I make TV commercials sometimes. And don't have any food around. I got these bunch of apples. I went apple picking, but I don't know what I'm going to do with those apples yet. But I'm like, I still got to eat dinner, right? Even though I don't have any food. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to make the world's best pizza. Here you go. Ready? What's ringing? Still ringing. Oh, hey, how you doing? Yep, that's me. I had to order a pizza for delivery. Yep. I'm gonna get the large with sausage and mushroom. Thank you. Alrighty. Great. There you go. Alright, look at that, I'm back now. Woo! I found the place. Come on over here. Oh, so here it is. You always get a menu when you get pizzas. I don't know why, because obviously you know what you're doing because you order the pizza from there, right? So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to show you my wonderful pizza from my local pizza place. Hopefully you have a local pizza place where you live. If your local pizza place is called Domino's or Pizza Hut or Little Caesars, forget about it. You're not getting pizza. You're getting some kind of gross thing. Look at that. That's a wonderful pizza nest. Oh, maybe I'll go out to my garden and get some basils and put it on top and make it electro special. See you next week.